Well, I'm in Onawa, Iowa, and I'm going to do a drive-through of the drag strip up here. So welcome to Onawa. This is the entrance. I'm taking it. I don't know. It's the first time I've ever been here. But I'll go ahead and drive in here. I went in here earlier and I drove through. I didn't see anybody in there, but I figured, what the heck, I'll do a little video driving in here. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm going to be driving into the sunshine here, getting about sunset. About 6:15 p.m. We'll go for a little drive. I'm guessing that's horrible. Maybe you can see a little bit of it. But we're going out through a bean field and a cornfield. It doesn't look worth the crap if I put it straight forward. Too much sunshine. Now we're coming up on a curve. Anyway, you gotta turn right. Hard driving manual transmission, holding the camera and trying to steer. Guessing that's where you pay to get in. That's the return road. How you get to the pits. There's the track. Sun's gonna get in it in the shot and ruin it. But we'll go down the return road and drive down the track. I see it a little better too then, since we won't be heading into the sun. Looks like the road's not the greatest of shape. Some water standing out here. But it's all new. I'm sure they're going to improve it eventually. This isn't my good camera either. This is a friend of mine's camera I borrowed from him. Kind of an older camera. It doesn't do the best job in the world. I don't know if that's where you get your time slip. Some kind of little building and a porta potty. But we're getting closer. Trash cans, pile of dirt, more trash cans. Road's getting a little better. Not as wet down here either. Another porta potty. See some more water standing, trash barrels. Looks like you're trying to do some work out here. Some equipment, a tractor. It's like a 656 Farmel. Kind of packer. Road grader. Says tech. There's a big building. We're heading towards the sun. This is gonna turn to crap probably. Now we're on the track. There's the tower. Some seats on the right side. Seats on the left side. Starting line. Now we're going down the track. I'm not gonna do nothing stupid out here. So. Right now it's set up as an 1/8 mile. It's supposed to be 1/4 mile. I'm guessing the scoreboards are 1/4 mile. They're ways up there. There's plenty of room for 1/4 mile, I can tell you that. Let's hope that they make it 1/4 mile. I haven't been 1/4 mile racing in years. Since the Nebraska motorplex closed. I think that was 2005. That was the place to be on Friday nights. They had their street races in Scribner. They started those because we all got busted out of Abbott Drive in Omaha. And yes, I was out there. And a friend of mine was the only one that got arrested and went to jail that night. Because he did something stupid. I was there too. I had some other friends there also. But they started the Friday night street races at the Nebraska motorplex because of that. And it was a deal that if you got a ticket and you were at Abbott Drive, you got in for free. Well, I never got a ticket, so I didn't get in free. I had a friend that got a ticket. I guess a friend that got arrested. He should have got in free for a month, but he never did go. I had another friend that got a tinted windows ticket. He never went either, but that we're on the way out. So me blibbering blabbering about goofy stuff. So do not enter, but as far as I can tell, it's the only way out. Only way in, the only way out. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever been here. And I hope to be coming here quite a bit. If they open it as 1/4 mile. There's already an 1/8 mile track not far from me. Now we're going around the curve. Out in the cornfield, in the bean field. I don't know if they made this road or this is already here. Must have been something here. Looks like they might have paved it. I'm on the south side of town. I came off the interstate, went through town, and headed south on this road out here. Maybe we can see what it's called when we get up here to the stop sign. I was wanting to come up here and maybe do some little video while people were racing, but I don't know if that's going to happen. And I do not see a street sign out here anywhere. There's a stop sign. Better stop. Some people say that stands for spin tires on pavement. I'm not going to do that in my pickup, but I could. But not that anything would break, but I don't feel like walking. It's a long ways from home, so. Anyways, I'm gonna hang a left. There's a sign up here. Maybe we can figure out what road we're on. That says 240th and County Highway K45. So if you find that, you're not far from the entrance. Now I'm going to hit the road and get the frock out of town. And I just turned onto the main road going through the middle of town. And of course it's blurred out. I think it said 175. This is the exit off the interstate, which is I-29. And you just go down to that county road and go south, and you'll find the track. The interstate. But this is 175, but it's just the Onawa exit. And at least the sun's starting to go behind the clouds. You can read that. There we go, west on 175. That is highway that runs through Onawa, Iowa. But the track there used to be the airport, and I guess they didn't get much airplane traffic there, so the city decided to turn it into a drag strip. But there's information about the track online. I think it's OREC, OREC.com, I think. It should come up if you search for Onawa, Iowa drag strip. I know they're looking for investors. I think they got to get some more money before they can actually go quarter mile. I don't know what their goal is, but all that info's on there too. I think they're on Facebook also. Well, I'm going to get on the interstate and head south and go home.